Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Adnan and today we are going to see how to make a DIY lamp using balloon. So things we need are thread. So I'm taking a blue thread, balloon, you can take any color you want, some tissues, water, brush, a bowl, fevicol and white glue. It depends, if you want you can use or no need. So first take the bowl, pour some glue, I mean fevicol, don't misunderstand. And pour some water. Mix it well. So I'm using my brush to mix it. Guys, thanks for your support for the last video. I wish I would get this support for my future videos also, and I need more subscribers and viewers. So please share, comment, share it with your friends, your family and all. After mixing it well, dip the thread in the fevicol mix. I'll just take half of the thread only. After that, mix the thread well with the fevicol. I basically recommend you guys to put a gloves. For some people there is allergy for fevicol. Then blow the balloon to a medium size. Then use a Nutella cap or any cap that is in a circle. Then just draw it. After that, stick the thread around the balloon. You guys can see I have randomly stick to the thread. So now I am using a gloves. I recommend you guys also have to use it. Then stick the tissues all over the balloon except the round we drawed. Then I am using my white glue to stick all the corners of the tissues. I have sticked all the tissues over the balloon. After that, we'll just keep it for drying almost 12 hours, a half day. After that, we will do one more coating above the first coating of tissue, so it gets more stronger. Now you guys please use white glue so it is easy to take from the balloon. After it gets dried up, just press all the sides, then just put a small hole, but be careful it doesn't blast. And gradually the air goes. You press from all the sides, then when it reaches almost half, blast the balloon. Then the craft we did will get squeezed, but don't worry, Middle of that my brother is there, sorry for that, he's playing there. After it gets completely squeezed up, you can easily take the balloon out from that craft, then press it from inside. Now our lamp has been set up. Now we just need to fix a bulb inside it. Now we are in our last step. For that we need a bulb, a holder. I am taking a 2-meter wire. You guys can take more longer or more shorter if you guys need. Then you need a glue gun, a plug if you need a plug also you need that. Then I'll just connect the wires. So showing you guys the 2 parts of holder, one is negative and one is positive. So I'm just making my video a bit faster, because if I make it slower it will get 38 minutes or 40 minutes, then that would make you guys boring. So thanks for all the support you have gave. Stay tuned to this video last, because I am going to show you guys who's the winner of the giveaway, as I said in the last video. If you guys want me to make more PUBG videos, just comment down below. And if you need me to make any other gaming videos, any other games, basically I play PES also, so future I will try to make a good video for PES. If you guys also want any other video games for me to play and or help you guys, so please comment down below. I will try my maximum. After connecting the wires, we'll just tighten the cap. Connecting the wires to the holder is really easy if you guys are good at this electric part. If you guys doesn't know how to work with electric stuff, then please take your parents' help. And I'll just fix the plug. Connecting plug to the wire is also really easy. If you doesn't understand, just take another plug and just remove it and see, so you get an idea. This idea is from my mother. Thanks for her for giving me a very good idea to do a video for you guys to see. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, share it to your friends also, so I would get more viewers and subscribers. That would help me a lot. Once I have tried this to make with white glue, I have failed, so please don't try it with white glue. Just try it with Fevicol, then only it would work, otherwise it will fail. So after trying it with white glue, and if it fails, just don't comment it's fake and that all stuffs I have got In my last video also it was fake and all. That was 100% genuine, and my friends are still using it. I am also using. I'll show you a small part how to connect the wire, because showing it fully will take time. So I have connected. We'll just check whether the bulb is working. After putting the bulb in the lamp we made, it would look like this. I basically liked it. I have seen it in many places, many malls and all. So my mother tried it and she succeeded, and she said me that you also show to the peoples in your YouTube subscribers. So just take a pin and make a small hole for the thread to go in. I'm just stitching it, not that much, just stitching the hole we made, but don't tight it, making it a little bit loose, just for fixing our bulb inside the lamp. If this is feeling tough for you guys, just comment down below. If you need any more DIY videos, comment down below. I would try to make it. So as I said in my last video, it is just starting off my career. I doesn't have any experience in this field, so help me if any mistakes are there. Carefully watch the video at this part, because this part may feel confusing for you guys. The hole I made there was a bit small because it was near the thread, so I tried to make it small hole, didn't work, so I had to make a big hole over there. After that, slowly just tight it, not too much tight, slowly just so it should stand properly. And after that, remove the bulb from the holder, then tie the bulb over the thread. Tie it all over the 4 threads we after tying it, then tie the balance thread over the wire, take it through the wire so it gets more stronger, the wire stands proper. Before that, put the bulb in the holder. Is taking the thread through the wire. the plug we connected to the wire are not that much necessary. You can use the parts that are destroyed of your lamp also. Before lamp, if it's destroyed and the parts you have, you can use that parts also, so money it's more worth. After that, just use the glue gun on all the holes we made for the thread paper, so that part doesn't get teared. So guys, don't use white glue. I have used white glue in my second coating of tissues. You guys can use in that way, but don't use it for the thread to stick on the balloon, because if you use like that, when we put the bulb, the white glue, there is a chance to melt. If it melts, the lamp, the craft made will not work. Don't use white glue, use Fevicol. So our craft is done. I'll just show you lighting it up, hang it, show you guys. So bye guys, see you in my next video.